Hello, welcome to another Cruisin' with Corey here. We are on night shift here, starting off around 4 o'clock. We already got a Doordash order right here. Charlie's cheesesteaks. It's inside of our Walmart. We have Spark on. My friend said it was busy today. I haven't gotten anything since I've logged in, so but we're going to start the day off with a really good Doordash. We were about 2 miles away from Walmart when we got it, so it's really going to only be about maybe 2.5 miles at most of travel for about $9, and it keeps us in the area. So let's go to Walmart and go get some cheesesteaks. Got our stuff. Let's go. Alright, just dropped that one off. Nice and easy. $9, $8.75 to start the night off. We got an order from Grubhub, not good enough. It was like $9 for 9 miles. I've completely forgot about Grubhub. It's just there's like a sushi place that uses it out here. That's really about it. You don't really get Grubhub orders too often, but 4:30, it's still early, so see what happens next. All right, so we just got this order here on Walmart. So we just took it, we're checked in, we're waiting, and then of course we got the worst possible news that you can get if you're a Spark driver. It's finding items. So you may have saw one of my other videos, big money Spark order. I got an $80 some odd order and I waited 45 minutes for it. I'm not waiting 45 minutes for this one. I'll probably wait 20 or until a better order comes up. If I get an Uber, if I get a Doordash. But for the time being, we don't have anything. It does hold us hostage. I'm not getting shopping orders, but while there's nothing else coming my way, may as well wait because the reward is $40. So let's see how long this takes. 4:47, we'll check in when we get it. All right, so we got loaded up there with that order, much to my surprise. Probably took about 15-20 minutes of waiting.
Turn right onto Colony Village.
Oh, shut up, GPS. So we'll probably get like, I don't know, $2-3 of wait pay, maybe closer to $2, I would guess. I'm really skeptical on this order. I haven't been tip baited in a very long time, but I've been around the block enough. I know that the second drop is a 0 tip. I know, like, factually. So then you just have to question a $33 tip on one order. It just seems way too good to be true. But we're living on the wild side. We're thinking optimistically. So 4 minutes from the first customer, which is the customer with the tip. So let's go. All right, we're at our drop off. And there we go. Hello. Got all of our stuff dropped off. I had to call the customer because I just wanted to make sure I was at the right place. These apartments don't have like any indication of you know, it'll tell you the unit, but it won't tell you the actual like house, like street number, if that makes sense. But we're good. Let's drop number 2 and then we'll turn our Doordash back on and see what's happening. Let's go. All right, now we're back on Doordash here. We just got ourselves a really good order. 12.25 for like 3 miles. About a mile of that is just how far away we are from the restaurant. It's Papagino's, the local pizza place. It is a Friday night. So Papagino's is one of those places where you expect to wait. It just comes with the territory. You expect to wait. This order is, I have to like drive a little bit. It is tenders, a salad, a cheese. Actually, this might be ready. It's only one actual pizza, so this might actually be ready, and maybe we can make ourselves some quick loot here. Maybe we can get an add-on, but either way, let's go back to Papagino's. We just passed it. Why couldn't you send me this 35 seconds ago? But yeah, let's go. All right, after a stupidly long wait, probably that there about 15 minutes, we have the goods. I was debating whether or not to cancel it, but we got it. It's one of those things, I've been in the restaurant industry a long time. They had everything else done, but the pizza was still in the oven, which that's terrible management because you're supposed to wait and fire off the quick items later, so that way it all times out to be done almost at the same time. But that's rather here nor there. All right, we're about 2 miles away from the customer. This is prime time for door dashing, so let's see if we can rapid fire make some money. Let's go. Jeepers creepers, we're slacking today, Corey. I'm just going back to my inner dasher mentality, and I'm forgetting that I record stuff. I forgot to bring the GoPro on, to bring my GoPro, and I also forgot to leave my car on for the dash cam. So didn't get that drop off, but you can see that we did get a few extra bucks off of that because DoorDash likes to hide tips. So who says you don't get hidden tips with low ARs? Hashtag not this guy. But let's see what's going on. Spark is beeping and bopping and booping and bopping over here. So anything juicy? I believe, yeah, the answer is no. We got a shop going 9 miles for 21 bucks. It is going south, but I don't really want to go home yet, and that's the problem with that, because I don't want to go home yet. So if I go 9 miles south, I'm gonna go the remaining 6 miles back to my house. So we're not doing that. There is a shopping order, $15 for what I think is 2 folding tables. I don't know if they'll fit in here. All right, come on, it's a Friday night. Where's the DoorDash orders here? All right, I'll let you know when I get something else. Right now, I'm not too happy, but, well, I'm happy with what we've done so far, assuming everything sticks, but I'm not happy that it's 6 o'clock on a Friday night and my DoorDash is not digging off the dinger. What? All right, I'll let you know when I get something. All right, so there was an order earlier. It was a shopping order for 5 items, 3 miles. It came up around $13, $14. No, like around $14. At a $4 tip. It has surged all the way to $21, so it's basically a $7 surge. That's going to be 3 miles, 6 items for a shopping order. Going 3 miles, 6 items, shopping order. It's deja vu. But yeah, let's go do this. We're about a mile away from Walmart. I thought we were going to be bopping out the food tonight, but I guess we're bopping out the Walmart. So let's go back and do some more shopping. Alright, 2 items to go. Here's ice cream. Take this end cap fridge. $25.11. Ran out of juice. And let's go. This will show up if it'll focus, but started shopping at 6:05. Finished shopping at 6:08. So now we're walking back to the car. Should be about a 7-8 minute drive. See you there. All right, so we were just feeding our fat butt and getting ourselves something to eat at McDonald's, and we got a DoorDash order while we're at McDonald's. $8.50 for 3 some odd miles. I didn't get a screenshot because I suck at life, but I kind of got one. But yeah, it's only about 3.5 miles for $8.50, so we're already here. This kind of makes this meal free because I just spent $7 and I got an $8.50 order. So I'm still profiting $2 off of feeding myself. So we're in the drive-thru waiting on our food, and hopefully that gives them enough time to give me the order, or maybe I can even get it through the window. So we'll see what happens. So we're gonna put in that we are still waiting for our order to be prepared. The drive-thru line is moving pretty quick, so I'm not going to ask them to give it to me through the window. I don't think that's going to work. So I'm just going to scoot around, get my food, and scoot around and get their food, and we'll be on the way. Seemed like a lot of food and didn't seem like a big bag. I thought that was going to be 2 bags, but I trust them. All right, we got 3 miles to the customer. Let's go. All right, we just got our $8.50 there. Nice $6 tip from our friend Susan. Nice easy trip. Basically paid us to eat. And we're closing in on our finish time. It is early, but again, if you're watching this within the current date time frame, you'll know that there is a major basketball game going on, of which I want to watch. So, because my home team is about to win. So we're not out all night, but we're pretty close to like 80-90 bucks at this point. We'll do the math probably in post and put it there, or maybe I won't. But yeah, we're gonna start heading home. There's plenty of stuff down south, so I'm certain we'll get something taking us where we want to go, and we'll wrap up this night and see if we can get a solid 100 bucks in about 3 hours. So let's go. All right, so we just took our last order of the night, and it's not what I would have thought. It's right here. It is a BJ's Wholesale Club. We went there this, I guess I went there this morning. We went there on my last video for a shopping order. This, however, is a pickup order. So I will basically just grab a carriage, walk on in, they'll give me all the stuff, and I head on my merry way. It's going 11 miles south, so it's going-ish, near-ish to my house. But, you know, for $27, that's fine. That'll put us over the century mark here tonight. And being a Doordash, it's guaranteed pay. They don't take it away from us, no tip baiting, nothing like that. So we were basically just parked across the street, so we're essentially here. So let's go in, and it's 28 items, but it didn't seem like anything crazy. It wasn't like 12 cases of water or anything like that. It was all basically grocery stuff, so it shouldn't be too painful. But let's go get it. We're basically already here. All right, so we waited 20 minutes. And then we're told that it was still not even like a third of the way picked. It was like 30 items. So we're not going to sit here all night. So we're just going to call it here. Thank you everyone for tuning in. We made, so I guess roughly 85 bucks, something like that. I'll put the exact right there. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We're growing this. We're having fun, and the more, the merrier. So that's Corey here. We'll see you for another ride along. Corey out.